if you're raising performance, if you're building personalities beyond its normal limitations, you are a leader. What a spectacular day we all have been planning and waiting for. Isn't it, Sarika ma'am?
Well said, ma'am. A new beginning full of inspirations and expectations. Well, another year to celebrate the achievements of cultural programs and competitive events.
We take pride in representing what Academic World School stands for. So, I, Priyanka, and my co-host Sarika ma'am welcome you all from bottom of our hearts.
We are dazzled by your presence and a million thanks to all who have joined us for this 11th investiture ceremony of Academic World School online.
Investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of our students and is the most significant ceremony.
Let's have a traditional lamp lighting, a tribute to Ma Saraswati, goddess of knowledge and learning.
Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhan sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deep jyoti namastute.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती.
Do you know, Priyanka ma'am, how it was in the previous years? Students and teachers running helter and skelter for organizing this event. Let us all take a dive into the ocean of memories of investiture ceremony.
are not born, leaders are made. Years after years, investiture ceremony reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected Students' Council. Let's welcome our newly elected Students' Cabinet.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Greetings of the day to all. Academic World School is very well known to create leaders. After many tiresome sessions, online meetings, discussions, we are finally ready with the proud members of the Student Council. We know it takes more of a strength to work on it, but who said that wearing crown would be easy? Our significant leaders, that is school captain, vice captains, house captains, are expected to be the ambassador of school values. They are definitely approachable, reliable and trustworthy. As a student council in charge, I take this opportunity to congratulate all of the members of student council. Now, we all need to pull up our socks and work with the school community to achieve best possible outcomes. All the best. Thank you.
Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. I am Pinky Das Rora, the housemaster of Raman House. We are a team of innovative explorers. Our objective is think big, aim high, strive hard and act now. Raman House has been known for tuning out academically and intellectually fine talents. Raman House prepares students to understand, contribute to and succeed in a rapidly changing society. We also lead in generating practical and theoretical knowledge that enables students to better understand the world. We are on a mission to provide a premier experience customized to the need of each student. Our hope is to ignite a spark of imagination, creativity and knowledge in our students. Certain points are to be kept in mind to succeed in life. One must be goal-oriented, learn how to burden your shoulders, procrastination must be avoided, don't be afraid of failures, and be committed. We seek to fulfill the basic objectives of learning to know, learning to do, learning to live together, and learning to be. Thank you.
Hey Kalamians, good morning to all. Kalam. Do you know why our house's name is Kalam? Yes, it is inspired by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, his thoughts and his simple way of living and achieve more. We, Kalam House also has a same vision. K for kingly and knowledgeable, A for ambidextrous and ambivalent, L for leader, A for amazing, and M for makers and masterminds. So we all have to achieve all these traits of Kalamian House. As it is said that coming together is a beginning, keeping together is process, and working together is success. We have kept first step towards our goal that we all are together now. We have to continue it for all our success. Remember students, teachers can open the doors of the knowledge for you, but you must enter it yourself. So here we all are clear with our vision that don't compare me to others. There is no comparison. I am one of a kind. So all the best wishes to the students and each member of the Kalam House. Thank you. God bless you.
I extend a blissful day to my dear students. Scholars, you must be aware that atom is basic structure of life. When we talk about atomic energy, the one and only one name which strikes into my mind is Dr. Jahangir Bhabha. All the students of Bhabha House take pride that your house is named after such a great personality who brought laurels in the field of science. Now it's our turn to bring the same to his name. It is said that a good start is half done. Now it's the time to pull ourselves and enthusiastically increase our participation in all inter-house activities. Under the umbrella of competent house member, I would like you feel comfortable as we have talented and creative team consisting of Mrs. Lakshmi Sukla, Mrs. Priya Kapil, Mr. Samir Meher, Mr. Arvind Sarma and Mr. Simarjit Bhatia. I know it's not only me, but you too will settle with nothing less than the best house trophy. We know it's quite different to do it virtually. Hard work is always crowned at the end. Don't pray it to be easier. Always toil to make yourself better. Thank you.
Greetings of the day. Today, we all are connected here in a new normal way. Everything has changed, but our commitment to our Aryabhata house, there will be many house activity to connect yourself with each other in meaningful ways. Kids, the road to success is long, and we are here to help you at every step. We believe that every person is born with talent, and to bring out this talent, many events are organized. All these events keep you moving forward. We have high expectation from all of you. Let's bring back the energy, passion, confidence and determination to Aryabhata house. All the leaders needs to be inspirational. There will be many cultural programs and competitive events in school. So it's a good chance to show your creativity with flying colors. Your active participation will lead Aryabhata house to success. Let's grab the cup of the year 2021. Thank you and have a nice day.
Greetings of the day to all my dear students. Communication is the best way to create strong relationships. AWS Outlook e-newsletter is a platform beneficial enough to create an unobstructed connection between the school and its stakeholders. It reminds all about important dates, promotes student achievements, and help parents understand elements of teaching and learning. I expect full cooperation from all the students of Academic World School. New ideas are always welcome by our editorial board. I hope that AWS Outlook goes on to become the lingua franca of our school. Students, keep in mind, the great aim of education is not knowledge but action. Let's keep our actions alive and use our gained knowledge to come up with the best. Thank you.
It made us all feel proud. We could feel the echoes of applauses all around. Now, moving ahead, we would like to take this opportunity to invite our newly elected school captains, multi-talented with pleasing personalities, Yuvraj Soni and Riya Gandhi.
Greetings to all. I'm Yuvraj Soni, head boy of Academic World School, session 2021-2022. Being head boy of this school is really a position with lots of honor, but many never sees the other side of this coin, which brings lots of responsibilities, zeal for your hard work and the passion for the implementation. I'm so much thankful to all the teachers who not only see kids as a student but prepare them so well to turn them into a great asset. Many student includes a line of eagerness of upholding the responsibilities over their hands. But being in that position and working on it is a big task, where we give all our efforts to conclude with the best in every task and every event. This is still a learning time with lots of expert teachers with different views and lots of experience. I wish all the best to all the newly elected student council for their upcoming task. Thank you so much.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Greetings to all. I am Riya Gandhi, newly selected head girl of Academic World School for the session 2021 to 22. I take it as pride for getting this wonderful opportunity and feeling so honored by this post. Firstly, it wouldn't be possible without my supporting teachers who understood my qualities and had chosen me for it. I would like to address to my junior student council members that leadership is not a position or a title. It's an action and example to motivate others. Exhibit the potential for leadership and have a genuine interest in welfare of other students. Do your task with your utmost sincerity and hard work so that it's paid off. One must possess the ability of being reliant and discernment so that he or she can proudly say, I will and I must. And I can say that the school is such a platform that you'll not only develop your academics but also your personality and other values of life. So we need to engage ourselves on working towards our weakness and optimizing our performance. At last, I would like to urge all my student council members to work hard in their respective given categories so that we can soar high and reach to the pinnacle. Thank you.
Thank you, Yuvraj and Riya. We extend our wishes for your new roles as young and new budding leaders of tomorrow. Leaders are the role models of their followers who motivate them to reach the target of their success. Now is the moment of our young and energetic leaders to pledge their oath of commitment and empowerment. I like to invite the principal to administer the oath to newly elected student council for the session 2021-22.
The principal of Academic World School will now administer oath for the investiture ceremony for the Student Council Academic Session 2021-22. I would like all the office bearers of the Student Council to repeat after me. We, the newly elected Student Council, of Academic World School, do solemnly pledge to abide by the rules and regulations govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that promise to carry out the duty and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and of all uphold integrity of alma mater at all times. We hereby affirm that we always honor the faith and the trust reposed in us and work tirelessly and selflessly for the blessed and glory of Academic World School.
Congratulations, students. Now you have officially taken oath of commitment and responsibility for the new role as the office bearer of the Student Council Academic World School 2021-22. I hope and wish you are going to do a lot better as young and budding leaders of tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. And I am sure it's a milestone in the year-long journey of Students' Council.
Congratulations to all the newly elected Students' Council. Now I'm privileged to invite Vice Principal to address this virtual gathering.
Congratulations to each and every member for taking the oath today as a member of the Student Council. You might have experienced the selection procedure adopted by the panel was quite moderated, and therefore, on behalf of this academic word school family, I welcome you all in this academic word school Student Council 2021-22 to represent oneself on different occasions and to represent oneself as a part of the Student Council and to represent a school on various occasions, you require a different kind of orientation. One needs to learn how to conduct oneself, how to present oneself. Why? Because no doubt you are a student, but now you are representing the Student Council, and therefore the school is expecting something different from you. And for this, there will be orientation program. Information regarding this orientation program will be posted in this forum very shortly. At the end, I welcome you once again to be part of this academic body school.
Thank you, sir, for your motivation and wishes. And we all know that every journey has its end, and a happy ending must be there. So viewers, this is Sarika with my co-host Priyanka signing off. Stay safe, stay connected.